This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corp CEO, or corporation, I should say, reaching out to everyone out there that's watching this. Once it's uploaded, please support our GoFundMe. We have the QR code in the description down on the screen. Make sure to scan it. Let's try to get those funds raised for the Jane Marie. And we got upcoming announcements coming up, and be ready starting Wednesday for Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corp presents Dragon Polar Express version, starting at 3 p.m. live on Twitch, and then the 18th on YouTube, same time. So get ready to watch that. I will drop the link to the Twitch on the once it's uploaded. So get ready to watch. Please donate to our Jane Marie GoFundMe. We have our merch store. We have 2 merch stores. We got discounts going on. I will put those in the description down below. If you haven't not yet donated, now is the time, because we got stuff that you would like. I'll be happy to show some of it to you too. Hold on, guys. Let me fix the. You know what? Let me see if I can make my. There's our bonfire merch store we have. And then we have discounts going on right now. So, go under campaigns. Here's our promotions. As you see, we have promotions going on. If you use all these codes, you get 30% off on the merch on here. That way it helps. All funds go back to helping the Jane Marie and helping me go out to go see the car. And the GoFundMe, 100% of the funds will go to the car itself. And it's not tax deductible, so do not try to claim it on income tax for donations. Let me show you the spring now. Store here. Here's our store stuff. We got all the stuff that you can think of, plus more. And if you use this code up here, you get 20% off on your order. So make sure to buy a lot of good stuff before Christmas, because I can get if you buy on Bonfire now, you can probably get it before Christmas. You have to order it by the 8th of this, basically by tomorrow. So you better get to it.
What's going on?
Not much. Rock Island, Jane Marie over in Arizona.
You're Rock Island, dude? Supposed to have it.
And I also talked to Mike. He said let him know when we do the lunch thing for your retirement. He wants to come.
Oh,
so
I was wrong way.
Busy, but still same old, same old.
Huh? Oh.
But yeah, he's still good.
Well, I'm supposed to have a spot here. I got a table, but I'm supposed to have a spot.
Trying to find where you're going to set up.
Well, I'm supposed to have one of these. I brought a table. I'm supposed to have chairs.
Well, Jasper should be around. I would ask him. He's the one that's organizing everyone. These guys, we're actually fortunate because So we're live now, Dean. We're live on Facebook. So Dean, that QR code goes to the bonfire store.
Okay. All right.
And then when it takes you to the shirt, and then it will have a thing by the, with our name on it, so that way they can click.
Cool.
So the one I was talking to, Dean, Tim Tennant, he's the one that's in charge of Sky Railways. He's the guy that's down there that I was talking to, Tim Tennant, he's the one that's the president of the Friends that's retiring. But he's also the one that's in charge of Sky Railways now.
Yeah.
So he's the one who's given us the green light to put Rock Island Car behind the train if we want to do events. So yeah. And also the Santa Fe trip is canceled next May.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm going to use that time to go look at the Jane Marie.
Alright.
And like I said, in August or September, the Lynn trip will be on.
Alright.
Okay, alright, go here. So let's see. So the calendar pops. I'll figure it out. We'll be here, okay?
Peter's ready to go.
This event will go from 10 to 4 today.
9 to 4:30. It says 4:30 on the thing. Tomorrow.
You should check out those cars down there. Those old
Yeah, I know. I know.
They're really cool.
Yeah.
I love the cars that make it look
Yeah. That's what they used for the last night photo shoot. And tonight's photo shoot too. They have a photo shoot tonight after this, yeah.
Is Alex
This is the fireman, yeah.
Might need to get some more tape.
Get a rock on there. Use one of these rocks right here.
Okay.
The shirts, if you're looking for like the Extreme Railfan shirts, our shirts are actually, these are our shirts that you have to order online.
Okay. Yeah.
So here's the QR code to scan for the bonfire store. That way you can get these shirts online.
Gotcha.
So we got plenty of them. We got different shirts out there. We got different colors. We got everything on there.
Okay.
And with everything railroad related, even Amtrak, we got Rail Runner, we got 2926, we got even the Redwood car on there. So
Cool. And then here's our GoFundMe if you want to donate in cash.
Okay.
And then here's the donation for the trip to St. Louis for our father when he asked us how we're going to go visit.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
if you scan this code back here, that takes you to the GoFundMe. If
Okay.
you want to donate
Okay. I will check it out.
yeah, take a look. It's online. And all money from the GoFundMe goes back to the Marie Jane car.
And then here is our
Spring
goodies
store.
stuff.
Yeah, that's
which is
spring.
More merch.
We have
Mugs. So.
we got mugs, we got posters, we got everything you can think of on
Okay.
this site.
Cool. I will check out. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
take a look. Yeah, help us out here. Hey Dean, get on Facebook. Put the link from the business page onto the main and the new group. That way people know to watch.
Alright.
Remember, I said we were going to go live. Yeah, we're live.
Okay. Alright.
Sorry, he could have been here.
What?
Wasn't he coming?
I don't know what he looks like.
Try to message him if he's online. See where he is. So you tell him we're here.
I don't know if he was going to sell it.
It's not on the crew, I know that much.
I think it's not mine. So, we'll see. I'm not doing
We'll just come whenever, Dean. Don't worry about it. You know one thing we should do, Dean? Make business cards.
Yeah.
That's another thing that might help. I gotta find the right people to do business cards. After Aurora Day, send me a reminder to start looking into business cards. That way we have them for our events. Huh? I don't know. Good question. Yeah, weird, but yeah. Go do whatever, dude. You have fun.
I didn't expect the Arga Locomotive Works craft kits to be so small.
You have to build them.
I know.
Yeah. You know, I talked to the guy from our duck. We were gonna have him make
Our coaches.
yeah. I said I would even partner up with him to do engine sound if we ever got him working with her. I'd help him do that.
Since they did the scale model of 2926, 10% of proceeds go to them, so why not 10% of proceeds go to us?
But we have to have a certain amount of budget to do it. We don't have the money right now to do it, so we put it on hold.
I know not at the moment, but
Down the road, yeah, I talked to him. I said maybe down the road we'll come back and let you know, and he said that's fine. Whenever we're,
but it's on the back burner.
yeah, he said right now he's focusing more on locomotives and rolling stock. So I'm not gonna worry about it.
Well, we came up to Belmont.
Funny to get a better open chip.
Yeah, you will. Lucky of them, they have a backing on their tent. We don't have one. That way their backing can block the wind. Yeah, lucky.
I started when I was a kid. Well, take care.
Hello. Hi.
What the hell is this? The post office?
No. I use the boxes that way they can be reused. They're just sitting in the garage, so yeah.
Yeah.
See?
How you doing today?
Good, good.
Is there anything you want to check out here?
We're trying to raise funds to get a car to go behind 2926, a passenger car. Or a lounge car, basically.
What's that now?
We're trying to raise funds to get a passenger car here
Oh, I
to
see.
go behind 2926.
And then later offer rides to local
Try to get
Mexicans.
This guy.
The guy behind the real steam locomotive.
It's,
The Marie Jane is what the
I
name of the
think
car
it's
is.
somewhere in Arizona, right?
Yep. Rock Island, Arizona.
I don't know how to do all that. I'll bring my daughter back.
Thank you for stopping by.
What I think of doing? Printing out our logo. Yeah, printing it out. You know, like how we have the logo on our group? We should have printed out a big thing. That way we could have put it on the front to say who we were, and I forgot. If you run home, Dean, do you have a printer at home?
It doesn't work.
Shoot. And I'm too far to go home to get mocked up on you. Hello. As you see, the car that's right there on the GoFundMe, that's the Jane Marie that we're trying to raise funds for. So.
Let's look around.
Right.
You don't need a big tender like that if you're going to be operating in the car. Most of those engines have very relatively small figures. So fortunately, it's got a different tender on it. But it tells us something important about the engine is it's they work with it. So they swapped out the tenders, they upgraded, and they maintained it up until it finally was retired. So the engine has quite a bit of history with the railroad.
One thing is, for tomorrow, Matt, a lot of these vendors will not be out here. We're not going to have vendors out here tomorrow to the rail market.
Right, we don't want to steal their business.
No, we don't want to same repeat like we did last time from the rail yards where they got pissed at us. When we were set up in the rail yards, they got pissed that we took business from them. And Leva was one of them that caused the ruckus.
Is that why they sent it back here?
And it was bigger for them to go here, so yeah.
I didn't think we took any business away. I think, in fact, we enhanced it. But
Yes and
I
no.
could see why.
Yes and no. We did hurt some of their vendors inside the market on Sunday when we were there. So yeah, no, we basically did some damage.
For the next time I go to Las Vegas,
Yep.
we should plan a trip together. See Rose.
You forget, Matt, when we go through there on the Chief.
I know you're already going through on
Train. Yeah. So I'm not going to worry about it. But maybe, yeah, we can do a trip. I'll say why not.
I meant like on a separate future.
Hey, no, I know, yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
We're raising funds to get the Marie Jane here from Arizona. They have it on Oaksar for $345,000.
This guy right here.
Right.
So that's, we have merch stores. Any money we make from the merch stores go right back to the car. We got a donation box to them here, one for the car, and one for the trip to St. Louis.
Great.
That way it helps reimburse any costs that
Of course.
I incurred. We have to pay out of pocket to go. So yeah, we're going to go see two.
Widely present on Facebook, on Twitch, on YouTube.
We're all over the place, yeah, I know. And even on TikTok now.
Oh yeah.
So we have videos out. We even have a little bit of thumb drives that I've done from YouTube.
Great.
So yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think tomorrow I'll bring the logo. I'm going to bring the flyer tomorrow with the logo. That way I remember. I know we have our shirts on, but I don't know if that's going to be much. Try to push. Hey Dean, I think we're going to stay live for just another hour and then we'll get the feed. and then we'll go live later after like lunch and stuff.
Like when they
We won't be able to see it from here because we have the tents in front of us. But what we might do is we'll record it and then upload to the group.
I might get my video out. And we'll probably somewhere or
Actually, you know what? I should ask Alex what our first move is. I should ask Alex what our first move is. Alright, I'm going to cut the feed right now. I'm going to stay live. We'll see everyone down there if you come. We have merch and everything available to show off, so yeah. Hello. We're actually fundraising to try to get this car here. This is right now in Arizona, right next door to us. The Jane Marie. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corp CEO, or corporation, I should say. Reaching out to everyone out there that's watching this. Once it's uploaded, please support our GoFundMe. We have the QR code in the description down on the screen. Make sure to scan it. Let's try to get those funds raised for the Jane Marie. And we got upcoming announcements coming up, and be ready starting Wednesday for Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corp presents Durango Polar Express version, starting at 3 p.m. live on Twitch, and then the 18th on YouTube, same time. So get ready to watch that. I will drop the link to the Twitch on once it's uploaded. So get ready to watch. Please donate to our Jane Marie GoFundMe. We have our merch store. We have 2 merch stores. We got discounts going on. I will put those in the description down below. If you haven't not yet donated, now is the time, because we got stuff that you would like. I'll be happy to show some of it to you too. Hold on, guys. Let me fix the. You know what? Let me see if I can make my house. There's our bonfire merch store we have. And then we have discounts going on right now. So, go under campaigns. Here's our promotions. As you see, we have promotions going on. If you use all these codes, you get 30% off on the merch on here. That way it helps. All funds go back to helping the Jane Marie and helping me go out to go see the car. And the GoFundMe, 100% of the funds will go to the car itself. And it's not tax deductible, so do not try to claim it on income tax for donations. Let me show you the spring now. Store here. Here's our store stuff. We got all the stuff that you can think of, plus more. If you use this code up here, you get 20% off on your order. So make sure to buy a lot of good stuff before Christmas, because I can if you buy on Bonfire now, you can probably get it before Christmas. You have to order it by the 8th of this, basically by tomorrow. So you better get to it.